Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do a puff stitch. I love doing a puff stitch. It's just such a quick, satisfying little stitch that just builds up in thick little wads and is great for adding texture to blankets, details. And today I'm going to show you it in the round just because I think it's also really great if you're making little flowers, if you're doing the centre of granny squares, all of that. So all we're going to do, I'm using a different colour on my crochet here to demonstrate. In the stitch you want to do your puff stitch, so here I'm going to do it here. You're going to yarn round, insert into the stitch, pull up, and then you're going to do the same again but 5 times total, so leaving 3 loops on, yarn round into the same position again, 2, 3. It starts to get a little bit tight here. Just take your time. 4, oh crikey, 5, there you go. And what you'll have is 11 loops on your hook. So let's see if we can count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh goodness me, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Whew. And then yarn round and you're going to pull all through 11. Now the good thing about them all being squished together like this is it does actually make it surprisingly a little bit easier than you'd think. And then you're going to secure with 1 chain. Oh, it's a bit tight. There we go. Whew. And then you've got your little puff stitch. I love that. So we'll do another one. I'm going to miss this stitch because it's quite a big chunky stitch. And into this stitch, as I showed you before, yarn round into the work, yarn round, pull up 1, 1, 2, 3. Same again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now trust me, I definitely have 11 loops on there. Yarn round, pull through. You might need to wiggle it a little bit. That's okay. And then secure with a chain. Whoops, sorry, gone off camera there a little bit. And there you go. Now I'll give you one tip when you're working your puff stitch, so we'll work into the next stitch here. As you pull up your loop a little bit taller than you might usually. Just gives you a tiny bit extra leeway when working stitch. So see what I do here, yarn round, in, up, and just pull up a little bit more. Yarn round, in, yarn round, in. Size 11, yarn round, and pull through. Oh, she says it makes it easier. Then yarn round, chain 1, and there you have it. Those are your puff stitches.